Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come back and show you a few of the things I got from Target over the past couple days or this past week and a little bit of last week. I might as well do it all together. So if I start out looking up here and then down here, I'm still getting used to looking in here, but I wanted to show y'all what I got. So let me see. And I'm just pulling on this little robe like I'm somebody's granny, but I'm just waiting. Anyway, I got this. I got another one of these. It's a Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Expert Face for Foundation Brush. Anyway, a foundation brush. And I got this and a few other brushes because like I said, I'm really not that deep into doing makeup, but I want to be. I want to get better. So I had bought a few brushes before, and I kept telling myself I'm gonna wash them, and I didn't wash them. Well, I did wash them, and they just weren't getting as clean as fast as I would like them to. So I just threw them away. I can't. As you can see, my face is already. Not the best, my skin rather, and I don't want to be unsure as to whether or not my brushes are clean, so that's just nasty to me, so I just threw them away. No, I don't have money to be throwing away, but I'm not gonna mess up my skin either. So anyway, I bought this and also bought the Real Techniques blending sponge. I like that it comes with a little container that you can put it back in. What was I gonna say? I used to use these a lot when I first started trying to do my makeup, like back in the back days, but I really wasn't sure how to clean these either, and I didn't really like the coverage that it gave. So maybe in combination with the brush, we'll see. But I think I top concealer brush, and this is a foundation brush. So yeah, I also got another brush. Oh my god, I dropped it. I'll show it in a minute. As you can see, got some mighty patches. These things work for the most part. I had one here and it got rid of it pretty well. I had another one. This is my second one, but I think it's working. These are high as hell. It's the original ones. I know they have some that are like undetectable supposedly. I don't really care. I had on a mask anyway. So I also got some makeup. Now I had to get two because I don't have just one skin tone. I mean, who really does? But some people are lucky enough to just buy one foundation color and going on about their business. Me, on the other hand, no. So it is, I bought the 2-in-1. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I got it in 09, which is tan, but that's not like, can you see it? Alright, I don't know. And then I also got it in deep beige. And I know you're like, girl, This is why I waste so much money buying makeup. I got one of these and I took it home. And I'm like, okay. Because I looked at the girl on the little sign. And I'm like, okay, we're about the same complexion. And the one behind her was a little deeper than me. And the one in front of her, of course, was not my... You know, I'm not trying to look like a ghost. So I got one of these. I think it was the... deep beige. Yeah, I got deep beige. I came home and I put it on and it was just too deep. And then so I went and got the tan, I think. But nevertheless, that's what I got so far. I also got when I went to the one closest to me, I got this LA Curl Pro Conceal. Cause I also have, and this one is in Cool Tan. And then I got another one that is a little bit lighter than this. So I think if I get one that's lighter and one that's darker and I mix it, it'll, does that make sense in the makeup world? I don't know. I also have one, this is in Cool Tan. I think I have one that's either darker than this or lighter than this. And I'm going to mix those together. So hopefully I can get closer to my skin tone. I also got a mask from Target. It's an adult reusable face mask, built-in filter pocket, filter not included. Flexible nose piece, 1 pack. So got tired of wearing the little blue ones. So at least if I wear those, I can wear this over it. So yeah, that's what I got from Target. And oh, one more thing. 2 more things. Like I was, where's the light? So like I was saying before, I wasn't really liking the way my brushes were cleaning, I guess, when I put them in a little cleaning solution or whatever, what have you. I'm looking for this little machine where you just put the brushes in there and it starts spinning and cleaning them like that. But until then, I'm gonna have to figure out another way to wash them. And the first step that I'm gonna do is this micellar, gosh, I cannot pronounce these words correctly. Micellar water. I'm gonna use this along with this little cleansing brush, little pad. So it says that you place the pad in the sink and press down, and ensure pad will not move around during cleaning. I'm not gonna read all of this, but basically I guess you do it like this while you're washing it, just to get a good scrub. So this will probably be my first step in washing my brushes, and then find another deep cleansing way to do it, because these brushes were not cheap and I'm not trying to throw them away anytime soon. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, I got another brush. It fell out of the bag when it's still closed, but I don't feel like going to pick it up. So that's that.